339 schools, that is private schools, were shut down. 56,000 students are out of school right now. They are all supposed to move from private schools to public schools. The first day of school has laid bare the fears of a majority of parents on safeguarding their children from COVID-19. A high number of students and lack of enough infrastructure among challenges that parents had to brave, especially in public schools. So despite that, the Ministry of Education insists that learning will carry on, with school heads tasked with ensuring that other COVID-19 measures are strictly adhered to.
Kato Tennis School in Mwingi area is one among many schools in the country where students reported to school on Monday. However, learning here will not be what the students were used to before.
Kuna wanafunzi tumetoa nje grade 2 hivi, na wale wengine huko ndani kuenda huko tunajaribu kuweka katika social distance.
There are only 12 classrooms in the school, and usually they will accommodate at least 80 students.
Na wanafunzi ni kama 545 hivi. Takikana tu angalau ione kama inaongezewa, sababu hawezi kaa nje when it is raining.
Theirs is not a unique experience, as the Ministry of Education has admitted that social distancing in schools, especially public schools, will be a hard tackle. Olympic Primary here in Nairobi being just one among them, owing to its huge population, which stands at 4,700 pupils.
So we are going to give it a little bit more support in terms of ensuring that the children are being taught. I have decided we shall give another 140 desks to this school, which were meant for another school, which may not be having a very tight problem like this. 70 of them will be here today, and during the course of the week, a balance of 70 will have been fabricated and brought.
While social distancing remains the biggest challenge among a majority of the schools, a number of schools in Samburu County are grappling with lack of water that will ensure their hand-washing stations are effective.
Serikali inaweza angalia kwa upande huo, ihakikishe ya kwamba ANOS na hata ni jeshi na pande zingine iweze kusaidia kudrill.
The COVID-19 pandemic saw at least 300 private schools shut down due to lack of funds. The affected parents being hit with the reality today as they sought admissions for their children in public schools.
Mara tunaambiwa tukuje after 1 week. Sasa tujui kutaendaje. We are stranded now. Itanibidi ningoje tu 1 week nione kama wataweza kunijulisha kama kuna nafasi, kwa sababu nataka hiyo nafasi.
For private schools, however, adhering to COVID-19 protocols appeared easy, as some of them, like Precious Talent School, have a small population of pupils compared to the public schools.
Kawaida huwa tunaweka dawati 10 watoto 30, lakini wakati huu kwa ajili ya social distancing tunaondoa mwanafunzi anayestahili kuketi katikati mwa dawati.
This would have been the ideal picture of every classroom in the country. However, that is not the case. Teachers will now be forced to ensure that the Ministry of Health guidelines and protocols are adhered to prevent the spread of COVID-19 among students. Raka Muigai, Citizen TV, Nairobi.